In this short video, I want to help you understand what a sales pipeline is and how it can help you grow your sales. Understand the numbers game. Sales pipeline is probably the most useful concept when it comes to selling, and getting its fundamentals and dynamics right is not dependent on luck. Put simply, a sales pipeline is the sequence of steps you need to take in order for the prospect to buy. To get things started, you need to define these steps or stages of your sales pipeline. Depending on an industry, these stages may be different, but the principle is the same. It's also worth noting that even though we try, not all prospects eventually buy from us. In this example, we'll use the stages prospect chosen, meeting agreed, proposal sent, and finally won. Next, you need to find out how many people you should contact to make one sale. This is your sales close ratio. Let's say we have 8 people in this pipeline who I'm going to call up. Let's then assume that 4 will agree to meet with me, but the others have no interest in meeting. Out of these 4 people, I discovered that only 2 of them actually have a need for what I'm offering, and they ask for my proposal. From the 2 proposals, let's assume 1 was successful, and I won them as a customer. In real life, you validate these conversions by going out, doing the sales work, and in a month or 2, you'll see what the real numbers are. In this example, there are 4 stages and we have a 50% stage-to-stage conversion. So to make 1 sale, I need to approach 8 people. If I want to make 2 sales, I need to approach 16 people. And if I want to make 10 sales, I need to approach 80 people. This is the part of sales also known as the numbers game. It tells you what it takes, and if you put in the numbers, you can basically guarantee an expected result. You can also work out how to increase conversions, go after bigger deals, and move leads to the next stage faster, but these are topics for future videos. Until next time.